everyone, welcome to my nookery. I hope everybody's well. Today is Wednesday and I got back from my vacation holiday in Turkey early hours this morning. I've already been up, emptied the case, got one washer load done, been shopping, and now I'm doing this. And I've got a live today as well. So I've had a fabulous holiday. As promised, I have taken some footage. It was very, very windy on a couple of the days, so I have just part of the videos where there's music playing. I will write a little bit about it so that you can, actually see. Because it was very, very windy the first couple of days. I've come home and I've got a cold. But other than that, guys, it was really well and truly what Rick and I needed after the past 12 months, what we've gone through. It was definitely a holiday to recharge our batteries, to chill out, to spend time together. And Christine, I looked for you. I couldn't find you, sweetie. I did look. But I want to thank all of you for commenting on my videos while I've been away. I've not returned or commented. I've just given hearts because that's just the way the cookie crumbles. I've got 2 giveaways that have gone live. As I always do, the sock yarn and giveaway and the yarn giveaway, so check them out. And I just really had a good holiday, guys, and I want to thank you everybody for liking, commenting on my videos while I've been away. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video. I had a really fabulous time on Monday. This will go live on Friday, this video, and then on Monday I've got a video of, I think it's going to be Monday, let me think, yes, I think it is. On Monday I've got a video of the yarn shops. I found 2, well, there were 3, but one of them was just too far away for us to get to. But I did go to 2 shops and I spent £70 on quite a bit of yarn, guys, and so I did really good. So gosh, God help me when I go to Istanbul in September, especially for yarn. It's a good job I've paid for excess baggage coming home. I had a really lovely time. I got spoilt by Rick, and as always, nothing unusual there. Really excited to get to see our June tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'm really excited. Once this video's done and it's uploading, I'm going to give her a ring and that. So yeah, I had a lovely time. Got socks made. I started a shawl, and check out the shorts. So I really hope you enjoy this video. As I say, thank you all so very, very much for your support, guys, while I've been on vacation. It's something that you all know that Rick and I have definitely needed. It's been a very, very stressful and emotional, both physical and mentally exhausting over these past 12 months. But with the help of all my YouTube friends, I've got through it. So thank you all so much, and enjoy my little snippet video of my vacation in Didim, Turkey. The reception desk, and then this is the foyer, and I want to show you this sculpture of Atlas. It is absolutely stunning, stunning. There we go. Isn't that stunning, guys? And it's a circular room, as you can see. Let me move down further more. There we are. We've got the balcony outside. Very windy today, but it's nice by the beach. And that. So isn't that just stunning? That is Atlas. And this, guys, is where I'm going to spend all my afternoon on the sunbeds, just around there. It's where I'm going to be spending. So this is my afternoon in the office, and this is Rick's pointing to where we're going. To the beach. La plage. So yeah, guys, oh, look at the blue sky. A little bit of fluffy clouds, a bit breezy, but look at all these flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? Sorry if I'm going too fast, but I did promise. So Christine, where are you? I've been looking for you, Christine. See you all later, guys. I've got a hard afternoon in the office this afternoon, and that's my office there, just there.
Please don't ring.
Yes. They are on the 4th floor in this hotel, and we're on our way to our room, but this is what's downstairs, seating area. Really nice and beautiful. It's the front of the hotel, and they've got everybody's playing tennis. Anyone for tennis, guys? Anyone for tennis? Look, the clouds are coming in.
That'd be Didim Marina over there.
Oh yeah, and the marina is just
where all the masts are.
There, the marina. Okay, so this is our suite for the duration of our holiday. This is sitting area, there's a couple of beds, the television, and then we've got, ooh, it's gone big dark, oh there we go, seating area. And then if I move in here, this is bathroom number 1. There we go, with a shower, and you'll be able to see me. Hello. And then as we swing round, sorry guys, I'm going as slow as I can, and we're going to our bedroom. And this is our bedroom, and we've got a bed, we've got tea and coffee, a big television, and we've got an L-shaped balcony. I'll come and show you that in a minute. So that's our bed, and this is our bathroom. Well, we use both of them. This is Rick's, mine's the other one. And we've got double sinks. Hi. Got a nice jacuzzi bath. Woo-woo. And yeah, look at all the tiling, guys, isn't it fabulous? Similar tiling to my bathroom, only my bathroom's grey. And then hairdryer as well. And then we're not going outside, but I will show you. We've got a balcony. Let me just open these curtains. There we go. And that is our balcony. We're seating area. It's very, very windy today, as you can see with the trees here. Can you see all the trees moving? So yeah, Aquasis, Didim Turkey. On a boat trip today, guys, island hopping, and we are going on Ilki Uch. There's Rick in front. Catch you later. Hi everyone, it's early morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, and I just wanted to take this view of the all the swimming pool, and while there was nobody around, and as you walk down there you go to the beach, and they've got the water feature here, which is the theme, water slides, and with a pool, and they've got the little children's area over there, and lots of places to eat. Really, really nice. It is a beautiful resort, guys, and the weather's been okay. Obviously, with it being early in the season, it's not as hot as when we usually go in September, but again, it's still a lovely holiday, and I hope you like. Hey everyone, this is the first of hopefully 3 shops, yarn shops. Ali's, which is cotton, beautiful colour. They've got all different types of yarn here, all Turkish. Look at this cotton, cotton gold hobby, and this is 100% cotton, 50 grams. Beautiful, beautiful yarn. Look at all of this. And we have this one. This is acrylic. A lot of you are familiar with all this yarn. As we all know, Turkish yarn for me is the best. Absolutely the best. Yarn galore. This is nice. This is like and this is called Diva. This is macrame silk limb, and we've got all different yarns. So this is shop number 1, called Konya Lila Twafe. So there we go, guys. Just thought I would share with you. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again on Monday for my yarn haul from Turkey. Bye for now.